What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor, and this is the 907 Fantasy Sports Betting page. So yesterday, it was a great game between Seattle and San Francisco. Cannot complain with that game. I guess I can complain. The only thing I'm going to complain about is freaking DK Metcalf. I guess Kenneth Walker was one that really screwed us because he didn't set his feet. And they called back a DK 50-yard TD, which would have cashed us and we would have made so much more money. But we are happy with what we got. We had a winning day yesterday, went up another 9 units. So can't complain there. And we're just getting rolling. If you guys are interested in the Saturday pass or this weekend pass, it's going to get you all the plays for today, Saturday, and Sunday, and then possibly some for Monday as well. So make sure to go over to the Winible and get signed up over there. But let's hop into what we won yesterday for some of the slips. So first one was Kenneth Walker, anytime TD. He got a TD there, and we matched that up with Brock Purdy over his passing. So we hit that one. And then we hit this little 2.5x over on Dabble. Cade McConnell, he got hurt or got pulled. I didn't even watch the game, but that one was voided out. So we hit it was a 3-man, and we hit all 3 of them. And then we hit this nice little, this was one of the free plays yesterday that I gave out on YouTube. We hit this one for a nice little 3x over on BETR with Purdy and Geno Smith. We hit this one over on Chalkboard with Purdy, Smith, and Tanner Bybee. Hit this one with Bobby Witt and Brock Purdy. Hit this one with DK and Brock Purdy. And then we hit this one over on BETR as well with Bobby Witt and Jose Ramirez. Hit this little 3-man over on Dabble for a nice 6x payout with Purdy, Charbonnet, and Kittle. We hit this 4-man over on Dabble with Western Kentucky and FIU. So we hit all those ones. And then we hit this one. It was a discounted like Halloween line over on Prizepicks with Garrett Cole. And then we matched that up with Nicholas Batiatoa. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then Holden Willis. Holden Willis cashed that one on the first catch of the game. So love that one there. Hit this one. This was the other free play I gave out yesterday. $10 into 41.50. Hit that one with Smith, Purdy, and Sabrina Ionescu, I think it is. So we hit a lot of them. Went up 9 units yesterday, so can't complain with any of that. If you guys are wanting any of the free plays, I send out a couple on here every day, but I send out multiple over on the Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasysports. You can also find that down in the description below. So you can go ahead and get signed up over there and get free plays texted to you every single day. So take advantage of that. And if you guys are interested in the college football NFL week pass, this is going to get you full VIP access for all of college football, all of NFL, and then any other sports that we add into that as well. It's probably going to be like 50 to 60 plays. We already have, sent out 10 this morning for this weekend's pass for some that we're matching up today to go with Saturday's plays. So go ahead and get signed up over there. Limited to the first 10 people. So make sure to go ahead and get signed up. First 5 people, though, use the code GENO. And that's going to get you 75% off of the college football NFL weekend pass. So go ahead and get signed up over there. Take advantage of that. It's going to be a phenomenal weekend. Like, let's just pull up some of the games here. Let's go to ESPN. We have a phenomenal slate of games, and this is going to be huge for us because we're going to profit so much friggin' money this weekend because of all the great games that are on. So let's go to schedule here. We got, let's see, Thursday, Friday. Friday, we got a good game. Utah versus Arizona State. UNLV is playing tonight versus Utah State. So that one, UNLV should cash that one. We have some matched up with their players tonight. And then tomorrow, Alabama, South Carolina. That should be a good game. Alabama's favored by quite a bit. But South Carolina should hopefully be able to pass enough, keep it somewhat close to where Milroe and Williams have to keep playing. Then we got, let's see here, Iowa, Washington. Should be a decent game. Wisconsin, Rutgers. Let's scroll down here. We got Texas, Oklahoma, Penn State, USC, Stanford, Notre Dame, California, Pittsburgh. So it's going to be a great, great game. Arizona, BYU. That should be a fun one. McMillan playing in that one. We got Florida, Tennessee. What else we got? Ohio State, Oregon. That's going to be the game of the friggin' day. Or Ohio State, Oregon, or Ole Miss, LSU. Both of those are going to be just banger games. So, and we got the late one, Kansas State versus Colorado. Kansas State favored 3.5 there. But this is going to be a phenomenal weekend. I cannot wait. We're going to be profiting a lot of money. So go ahead and get signed up over on the Winible. It is winible.com/907fantasy sports. Go get signed up over there. Get on the free pass. And then get on the free pass is going to get you some free plays for this weekend. So might as well go ahead and get signed up over there. It's going to cost you nothing. But then go over and get on the week pass. So let's hop into the 2 free plays for you today. We got one over on BETR. If you use the code 907fantasy over on BETR, they're going to give you a $200 welcome bonus, a $200 deposit match, and a free square until you win. So go ahead, take advantage of that. But we got Hemby over 39.5 rushing yards. That's Maryland's running back. They've discounted his line to 39.5. So we're taking the over there. And then we're matching that up with Ricky White, the third of UNLV, over 93.5 receiving yards. They're going up against Utah State tonight. Should be a good one. UNLV should win that game, but Ricky White should get 100 yards receiving. And then we're going Dorian Singer of Utah, wide receiver, over 56.5 receiving yards. We'll see if Cam Rising comes back. He's apparently supposed to be playing tonight, but you never know with that guy. He could just be stringing everybody along and not play again. In that case, it'd be Isaac Wilson as the backup. But Isaac Wilson has been feeding Singer the last couple games. So either one plays tonight, this should be an easy win for Singer to go over 57 receiving yards. And then lastly, we're going Bernard, running back for Utah State. Running back for Utah, not Utah State. We're going Bernard over 91.5 rushing yards. So Utah is favored in this game. Expect them to come out, get an early lead, and then just run the ball. So Bernard should get that pretty easily for that. So that one's going to turn $10 into $50. Or if you want to go with I can't even remember what they call it on BETR, like a power play instead of a flex play, you can do that one for 10 into, I believe that would be 100 for a 10x payout. But we're doing a little flex play or dynamic play here. So 1.5x for 3-man or 5x for a 4-man. So that's what we're doing on that one. So that's the first free play for you. Like I said, go ahead and get over there on the Winible, or not on the Winible. Go ahead and get signed up on BETR with code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with some free money. Second one, we're going over on Dabble for this one. I love Dabble. You guys should love Dabble because you don't even have to enter any credit card information. No payment information, no nothing. Just go ahead and go over there, get signed up with code 907fantasy, and they're going to hook you up with $25 of completely free money. They know that you're going to love the app so much that they're like, you don't even have to put any money in. Just go ahead and sign up. They're going to give you $25 of free money. So go ahead, use code 907fantasy over there and go slap this play. We're going Haj Malik Williams, UNLV QB, over 200.5 passing yards. Matching that up with Ricky White, 93.5 receiving yards. Haj Malik has been feeding Ricky. At least half of his passing yards go to Ricky White. So I love that duo there. And then we're matching that up with the Bama duo. The Jalen Milroe QB, over 240 passing yards. And then Ryan Williams, the 17-year-old wide receiver sensation. We're going over 70 yards there. So that is a nice little 4-man over on Dabble. Once again, you can either hedge or go all in on that for either 5 or I believe it's a 10x payout. But good luck with all of your plays. Let's go cash. It's going to be a phenomenal weekend. Cannot wait. It's going to be fun. Make sure you're going to ride with me. If you're going to let me know, if you're going to ride with me, let me know down in the comments below. All the links to Dabble, BETR, Winible, any other links you guys need, that's going to be down in the description below as well. But good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day. Go cash and go watch some fun football. So good luck. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.